Now, when we're doing tattoo removal, the colors are really important. So I'll give you an example. Black, dark blue, purple, red, the standard colors that were probably the only ones available 20 years ago are fairly predictably able to be removed. Now, with the newer colors, orange, yellow, white, sky blue, light green, they're much harder to remove. And white in particular, when the laser hits white ink, it can actually change the color and make it dark. So multiple colors does present more of a challenge when we're trying to do laser removal of those colors. So finding a provider that knows which wavelength to use for that color is really important. The nice thing about the picosecond lasers, the picoway in particular, is the wavelengths there you can treat almost all those colors with the exception of probably white, which again is very difficult. Now, one other type of ink that we need to talk about is cosmetic tattoos like eyebrows. And those, they use a different type of ink and are more of a challenge because when we try to treat those to lighten them, the color can really change quite a bit. So it may start as black, and after we do a laser on it, it might turn a weird brown or orange color. And that persists throughout the treatments. So when we treat those, I really spend a good amount of time counseling the patient in terms of, it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna probably take 6 to 8 treatments to get rid of it, so are you okay with that? So understanding the location of where that ink is, what color it is, also the provider being able to walk you through, is this color gonna change? What color is it gonna change to? How long is it gonna stay that color? So when we're treating multiple color tattoos or cosmetic tattoos, it really does take the treatment to a very different level. And it's really important for the patient to understand what those changes are.